Bellabin Chinese Food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of sweet and sour pineapple pork. This sweet and sour fruity plate is enjoyed by many people, especially for the young kids. The ingredients for this plate are pork tenderloin, pineapple, bell red pepper, bell green pepper, green onions, ginger, and potato starch, white vinegar, sugar, salt, and oil, and light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, tomato paste, and 1 egg. First, let's cut the pork meat. We cut across the grain of the pork and cut it into about 1/4 inch thick of slices. Then cut slices into small strips. Then cut another piece of pork. Okay, now we put the strips of pork into a plate. Then add in about 1/8 teaspoon of salt onto the pork meat. Then we add in that's 1/4 cups of cold water into the plate. That means we want the meat hydrated. We use the hand, rub the meat for a few minutes. Let the meat absorb all the water in the plate. Now, all the water absorbed by the meat, we add in half teaspoon of dark soy sauce and just a little bit the egg white. Then we rub again. Rub, mix everything mixed well. Rub. Okay, now it's nice color. That's the reason we add the dark soy sauce, make a nice color. Okay, now we add in 1 tablespoon of dried potato starch. Then we rub again, mix everything well. Then we use another plate. Put about 1/3 cups of dried potato starch. Then we grab 1 piece of meat that is already marinated and make it coated with dried potato starch in the potato starch plate. Then put it in the new plate. We do it 1 piece by another piece. Then we finish all the pieces. You see, that's all the pieces already coated with dried potato starch. Then we cut green onion into a few segments. Then slice ginger and then cut the red bell pepper into small pieces and cut the green pepper into small pieces too. Put them into a plate. Okay, now we process the pineapple. We cut it into 3 pieces and cut the middle, the hard part off. Okay, cut into slices and then cut them into small cubes. Then put them in a plate. Now we prepare a sauce mixture. Use a small bowl. We add in 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of sugar and 3 teaspoons of white vinegar. Then add in 5 teaspoons of cold water. Then add in 1.5 teaspoons of tomato paste and then put in 1.5 teaspoons of potato starch. That's the mixture we used in the stir fry later. Next step, we heat 1 iron pot over a medium heat. Then add in 2 cups of oil into the pot. You see, there is an electronic temperature recorder that is used to monitor the temperature of oil. We heat the oil about a few minutes. Wait, the temperature goes up to the temperature we want. It's about 210 now. Then we add in the meat slices. Okay, we can see the temperature from the monitor. After we add in all the meat, the temperature goes below 200. We take the meat out just in order to the temperature goes up again. Then we put meat back to the pot. Okay, now it's about 220 degrees. We put all the meat back to the pot. Stir the meat to separate them and fry about 3 minutes. Just monitor the color. You see this color? That means good. We take out the meat and transfer them to a plate. Then move off the pot. Use another pan. Use a little bit oil. Stir fry green onions and ginger first. Then add in the peppers. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in pineapple. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in 1/3 cup of cold water. Then cook a little bit. I think cook 1 minute. Then add in the mixture we made before. Then we add in the meat. Stir fry, and then mix everything well. Wow, it's really nice, looking good. Okay, now everything is ready. We transfer them to a plate. You see, this plate is sweet, sour, fruity taste. That's why many people love it, especially for the kids. You see, this is the plate I just made. It looks so beautiful. Everything looking nice. I cannot wait to try. How about you? You want to try this recipe soon? Thank you for your coming. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my recipe. Thank you. See you next time and keep well.